You probably know that Zuma was ordered by the Gauteng's High Court in Pretoria to pay 28.9 million rands in taxpayers' funds for his corruption trial defense. And he was told to pay that amount with interest. And he was only given 60 days to pay off that amount. And if he fails to pay that amount within 60 days, then the state can take or will take his assets and or his pension funds. So now, us as the public, we don't know if Zuma has that money or if he will pay that amount. But you know what kills me is the post that I saw on social media. You know, people are willing to donate for Zuma, man. This is the post that I saw on social media. This is the post, you see. And I was thinking to myself, Fuguti, this is really possible, man. This is really feasible. I mean, given the South African population is estimated to be at 60.3 million people with about 39 million adults. So I was thinking, Guti, if 10 million of that 39 million adults can decide to will donate to Zuma will donate to Zuma, like they will donate 5 rands each. I'm just estimating, if only 10 million of the 39 million adults decide to they will donate to Uzuma 5 rands each, then these people they can donate about 50 million rands. So meaning if people can decide, about 10 million people in the country can decide to pay or to donate to Zuma, Zuma will be able to raise 50 million rands. Imagine, bro. Imagine. And this is very possible given FNP Zuma in South Africa. I mean, he established a political party in 2023, and it obtained a huge fan base, a huge following. I mean, it is the 3rd biggest party in South Africa, if I'm not mistaken, according to the national elections results. Our last year, if I'm not mistaken, maybe I can be wrong there, but I know very well that in KZN, it was the official opposition, like it obtained number 2, and they didn't really get 51% of the votes. They got 49% or 48, I can't remember. But yeah, the bottom line is Uzuma uyathandwa. He established a party which is one of the biggest parties in South Africa right now. So the question is, what do you think? What do you think? Abantu bangadonate ngempela batshe Uzuma uthi akhokhele imali le.